Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known about Introduction to PHP. Let's begin the session. PHP is a server-side scripting language. This is used to develop static, dynamic, and web applications as well. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP scripts can only be interpreted on a server side that has a PHP installed. And the PHP is having vast features. It's a simply is having more advanced features like other programming languages of like Java, ASP.NET, and C Sharp language. Like the features are also having in PHP, and it supports OOPS concepts. Popular websites like Facebook, Yahoo, Wikipedia, etc., which is used to PHP, used to the language, these are the sites are developed. And our very own study tonight are developed using PHP. Simple to learn. PHP is so popular because it's a very simple to learn code and deploy on server. It's a open source and free to use, hence it has been the first choice for beginners since decades. And kickstart. In this tutorial series, we will be covering key concepts of PHP language from scratch to advanced level. And also will be share some of the ready to use and useful code snippets for beginners to kickstart their web development projects. These ready-made tools and ready-made code, they can directly involve and apply with the real-time functionality of your web development programming and projects. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.